This video seeks to introduce the editing experience of EdWeb, displaying the features of the new system that make editing easier. To create a new draft of a page, click the New Draft button in the grey bar. If there is an existing draft, this button will become Edit Draft. You can alternatively add a new page by clicking the Add Content button in the menu at the top. As soon as you enter a draft version of a page, the system confirms that it is auto-saving what you're doing. This means that if there's a crash or an error occurs, you can recover the work that you did. The primary fields in the editing interface show on the Content tab. These include the title as it appears on the page, along with the URL path that will show in the address. The main content of your page is shown in the main page content box. This is a text editor field that allows you to simply type in the content you want on the page. You can also copy and paste directly into this box. The formatting is retained, so bulleted lists continue to be bulleted lists, but styling is not, so you can't introduce new fonts or colours into this box. You can make changes to the context of the box also using the controls above. For example, you can change the heading style to break up your page and introduce types of lists, introduce tables to create links, adding quotes and feature boxes, and all the main things that you would expect to see on a web page. You can also insert images, documents, and reusable text into this box using the Asset Store on the right-hand side. This allows you to find reusable content and simply drag and drop them into your pages. Further down in the Content tab, you can find the Summary box. This is mandatory on all EdWeb pages and should be a 1 or 2 sentence summary of what the page contains. This is shown on the page, on the levels above, and also is used to generate search rankings. You can also associate an image to this page so that the levels above show automatically an image to advertise the pages on the levels below. There are advanced options also on the left-hand side, including the metadata, which allows you to set search engine information. You can also look at the published state of the page and set a review date for you to come back to the page later. You can also change the location of the page in the Location and Navigation tab. Once you've completed the work to your page, you have options at the bottom to commit your changes. You can either save and continue editing. You can save a version of the page and preview it as it would show on the university site. You can cancel your changes and discard anything you did while editing. And you can also publish, which will put it directly to the university's main site.